Guys, Andrew here from Culips. I have a big announcement to make. We have introduced some fantastic new features to the culips.com website, especially if you are a Culips member. You're going to be very, very happy with the improvements that we've made to our website. There are 4 brand new features, and I'll introduce them to you here today. So the first new feature is called the dashboard. And the dashboard is a new area where you can log in and organize, sort, search through all of our Culips episodes. So downloading and accessing the study guides and the MP3s for all of our episodes is now really convenient. It's easier than ever, and you can do that by just logging on to the Culips website. You'll be able to access the dashboard and find all of our episodes extremely easily. The second brand new feature is that now our episodes are ad-free for Culips members. So I know from my own experience that when I'm studying with something, I hate announcements, I hate advertisements, but they're kind of a necessary evil, right? So you need to self-promote. I understand why people do it, but it is annoying to have to listen to them. And if you're a paying member, why should you have to listen to advertisements? So for a lot of our back episodes and all of our new episodes, there'll be no ads, no annoying announcements from me or the other Culips members. You can get right to the good stuff and study the content that you paid for. The third brand new feature is that we have introduced a playlist functionality to the Culips members dashboard. So you can now listen repeatedly to Culips, all right? You can listen to episode after episode after episode, and you can do this streaming, all right? So if you're in your car for a long road trip, or if you're out on a walk and you just want to listen to a lot of Culips, you can do that now from the members dashboard. It's a cool feature, and I think it'll be really good for those of you who want to get lots and lots of listening practice in. Okay, and the fourth and final brand new feature is something I've been working on personally really hard, and I'm really excited to launch. It's a brand new series called the Culips Fluency Files. And this is an exclusive series for Culips members. So if you're a Culips member, you can access this for free, no extra cost. And what it is a new series that features short audio stories that are designed for intensive and repetitive study, okay? So it's a short, like maybe 3 or 5 minute audio clip with an interesting story. And the idea is that you can use this clip in many different ways to really, really increase your English fluency. Each episode will come with a short study guide that has some listening exercises and some vocabulary explanations, very short. The idea is that you can deep dive into these fluency files and really level up your English. So we'll be releasing 1 new Fluency File episode each week. You can download it from your Culips member dashboard, and I think you're going to love it. I think you'll find the Fluency Files to be extremely helpful. So those are the 4 brand new features that I wanted to introduce to you today. We hope that you'll take advantage of them. All of them can be accessed through the culips.com website. Just log in and make your way to the members dashboard to do that. All right, happy studying. I'll talk to you later. Bye.